Welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome back, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you've had a wonderful week, and we are down to the final tag team elim, the champions of the world, from last year at least, and that is Rogue Wave. Colaps, River, champions just on their own, but when they come together, it's like Pacific Rim. So there's really not much to say except drop the L, hit the bell. I'm excited to hear some new River, some new Colaps together, coming for the back-to-back championship title. Let's see what they got. Let's go. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la 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 la.
Coming to the stage right here, live and direct, it is my pleasure to introduce to you Rogue Wave!
Hit him with the glitch. They've just gotten so good over the years with technicality, mixing musicality, River with the vocals, Colaps with his bass, his rhythm, and even his flows.
We got Colaps. We got River. We got that French power with that Colombian flavor.
Ish!
One more time. Tokyo, y'all ready?
Junbi desu ka?
Rogue Wave, it's on you. You already know what to do. Let's see what's poppin'. I say the twa, you say the crowd in twa.
You know they've been practicing
Beatbox!
many hours for this. They always put in 100%. Strap in, ladies and gentlemen.
GBB, are you ready? GBB, are you ready? I said, GBB, are you ready? You can't believe me, not get this. Check this. You can't believe me, not get this.
Oh yeah, it's a jam.
GBB! Now get this.
I got goosebumps. We're bringing it back.
Now get
I
this.
wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. Lip roll. Oh! Oh, please! That impact on the kick. Challenge to sit still while listening to that.
Yeah, bye.
What a banger! All the percussion elements. Really appreciate it. Like swamp bass. The sounds are just so
GBB. Can't believe me, now get this. Now get this.
Pop's jumping up. Yeah. Oh. That's what I'm talking about. Like how they're switching sides. Constant movement. Oh, yeah. I like that bass. Hold up. Listen to this. Yeah, man. Oh, dude, this house beat, which you wouldn't necessarily expect because on their own, they don't go for that type of genre, but together, making it with the technical type of percussion thrown in that sounds just like a house beat, you kind of forget that they're beatboxing at a certain point. Like right up in here, it's just... Judges are loving it. Y'all know. Alem's in shock. And it's just one song they did for the whole thing. Oh, the hi-hats, it's just salt and pepper thrown in there. It's just sweet. This is exactly what I was kind of expecting them to do, because I feel they are some of the ones that pioneered that ping-ponging, transitioning effect between the two beatboxers, especially with those high melodies. I remember them doing it very vividly. I think it was GBB 2021. I don't remember exactly which year because they all kind of blend together. They brought that out, and I just remember the crowd going nuts. And they did a little bit of it here, but them just doing one song goes to show how much they may have in their beatbox bag, because a lot of other groups, a lot of other tag teams did a lot of beats, and it was fun and a variety, but for some reason this beat just was catchy enough, kept the energy all the way through, and just their technicality carries these sometimes simple genres that you know, for a house track is not a heavily produced type of genre, and for them to do it in their own way and their unique styles, just it was brilliant. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what did you think of Rogue Wave's 2023 GBB Elim? I think they are definitely making it on and making it hard for the judges to judge and for other tag teams to go against them, because in battles, this is where I feel Rogue Wave is really going to thrive, and I cannot wait. I can't wait to hear some of the hidden gems, some of the beatbox clapbacks. Oh my gosh, the counter beats. You have no idea how much I'm anticipating, and cannot wait to watch some insane counter beats from new names and then some of the legends that are trying to keep their name on top of the throne. But ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed, drop that L, hit the bell, and we're going to keep on checking out GBB for the future. Peace out. Shake 'em and